So if you want a protector for your number plate, being Japanese or the American style, we do carry that in stock. You just gotta make sure you choose the right size. Some Japanese plates or style plates come in the import size, which is smaller. So make sure you measure before you buy. This is what the covers look like. They come in 2 sizes. As you can see, they're very similar. So again, make sure you choose. And to attach them is quite simple. They go over the top of your plate. There's a little band that goes around the number plate and the cover, which sits in front of the plate. And I'll show you how to get those on, because that's a very common question that we ask as well. So with this style of cover, to install it, this is how you do it. First, bracket on the car. Step 2, you get the band and position it in between the 2 screw holes where your number plate would go. So you hold it there, and then you would attach your number plate through the holes, so that way the band doesn't come off or slide off. It's sort of wedged in there. Do that for both sides, and then your covers can just simply slide on and you crimp them shut.